In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix can't connect to SIEM servers issue. Let's get started. First, open the search bar on your PC and type view network connections. Then click on it. From here, you'll see your active network adapter. Just double click it and go to properties. Next, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click properties again. Now make sure opt-in and IP address automatically is selected. After that, choose use the following DNS server addresses. For the first line, enter 8.8.8.8 and for the second line, enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS settings and can help improve connectivity and fix network-related issues. Once done, click OK to save the changes. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, in the command window, type ipconfig /plus DNS and press enter. This clears your DNS cache and helps improve outdated network data. After that, type netdisk winchock reset and press enter again. This resets your network socket settings and can fix deeper connection issues affecting apps like Steam or other online services. Once you have completed all these steps, restart your PC to apply the changes properly, and that's it. Your network settings should now be refreshed and working much more smoothly. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.